opportunity kanaka Manzakunda ka kuma nonsense all for Manzakunda albafala. And that part ndol fanato accept la jam. Momona de ko ka Manzakunda neng. Ibe bula coming albe komal ka Manzakunda atol malibalol balkonal nyom mo malibali hormanta wol te kering. We are not going to accept those things. This is our government. We were voted in by Gambians, and these Gambians still support us until we finish our term in office. We go back to the people. When they give us authority again, we continue to rule under the dynamic leadership of our president. Niman Lafiola, leave this country because it is the masses, the majority that carries the vote. That is democracy. So any opportunity mean that, and the police is aware of that. Malafi fitno wala nantolngande, but you don't have more support than us in the streets. You don't. So ndol coming for wrong, and nganyo bunya nganyo respect. Ikafo Adam Barrow is a dictator. Atol man kende. You don't know what dictatorship is, but in fact you know. Albe horomanta yani malibali Allah. But atol le alo what dictatorship is. You know what police brutality. Bilato le olong. You know what police brutality is. Ning ayatumako. Yaya jammele be manse ala nyimbanko kan. Ye kidota yala police fula fa. Police fula ye fa. Ye do baranya jaw. Police ole muta. Jani kata kiti olot. Probably Usenu would have died by today. Usenu Boja Nying. He would have been dead by today. Natuma yaya jammela mansa kundalo nyinti. But you see, regardless of what happened, Nsita in the judiciary, you have all been very happy with Jete. Justice Jete and Nengoning Doya mining Kuma Jawol for Mansa Kundai. We respect him. But Kumo Dol Bije Ayol Fon Tolier. Justice Jete Fana mostly he shouldn't have told that to us. But sometimes, you could even think Justice Jeda is even anti-government. But we will never say that. Because, the way and manner in which he was kind of, I will not say disrespecting, but the way he was lashing at government, the way he was, the way, I mean, at human level. But he's a judge, we respect him. Justice Jede Doya Minke Mansa Kundala. I kumo min for Manzakunda Usien la Kuoto. And at the same time, this man is a suspect. The kind of judgment he delivered. And at that same point, giving him a suspected killer of 2 cops. Ka bail tiala, just $50,000. Bail. $50,000 is sorority. Bond, just 50. Molka tai fenge ka Willie Keme ikadila. A suspected killer, 50,000. That is like inhuman for us.